Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Romina and I do nail art in my tiny fingers. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this colorful snowflakes winter mani. So stay tuned. I'm gonna start applying the base coat. This is the first base from Etsy. This is actually very good just to protect your natural nail from staining and to make your mani last longer. For my base color, I'm gonna be using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Racing Rose. This is the number 263. This line is very good because it actually dries out very fast. It's a little bit sheer, so you're gonna need maybe a second or third coat to get full coverage. Before we start with the designs, I'm just gonna add some cuticle protector into my skin so it's gonna be easy to clean up after. This is the Mani Mask from Maniology. It has a very light blue color, but it gets transparent when it dries out. Now I'll be applying this shimmery top coat on top of my two coats of base color. This is actually gonna smooth the surface and it's gonna help you to add a background to your design. For the design, I'm gonna be using the What's Up Nails A014 stamping plate. As you see, it has a lot of different types of snowflakes, so I'm gonna use them all without cleaning in between. I'm gonna be using these neon colors to stamp. These are actually normal polishes, so you don't need stamping polishes to do designs. These are the Cyber, Retail Therapy, and Super Freak colors. After we finish stamping, we're gonna be removing the cuticle protector, this liquid latex. Remember that this brand is latex free, so if you guys are allergic, this is actually a very good option. The final step will be the cleanup, so here I'm using the Twinkle Tea cleanup brush, dip into acetone or some nail polish remover just to clean the last details. And here is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.